What are common nouns? A common noun is a name of any person, place, or thing. For example, the boy is afraid of cat. We play in a park. The book is stolen. The words boy, park, and book are common nouns. There is no information who is the boy, which book is stolen, and where is the park about these nouns. So these are common nouns. Proper nouns. It is the name of particular or specific person, place, or thing. For example, Rabia is eating cake. My brother wants to climb Mount Everest. Paris is in France. My birthday is on Monday. The underlined words are proper nouns. Rabia is the name. Mount Everest is the place. Paris and France are also the places, and Monday is the name of the day. Let's do an exercise. Separate common nouns and proper nouns. Boy is a common noun. River is a common noun. Monday is a proper noun. Indus is a proper noun. Month is a common noun. John is a proper noun. Day is a common noun, and girl is a common noun. Exercise 2. Write the sentences using proper nouns. We went to Peshawar by bus. My brother has a parrot called Mittu. We have our holidays in June. The Faisal Mosque is made of marble. Now here you can see that proper nouns are starting with capital letters. Hope you have understood the whole concept of common noun and proper noun.